Oh, Saloboa Baba. It's a woman when you come meet, you never even feel repair your life. He on one young way about that since why they read this thing. That one way fair do, fair live. That one don't do that thing. And in our bed destiny, no fit see the same thing, make you avoid that, make you run. Say, now this one I take talk about my destiny before where they open to go for streets. Make the whole world they see. The same thing about your door, my your door, pack mon yo. This only what they do, what they temu, or man move. May still can look for another party system to repair your life. I don't know what you are woman anthology. Hey, salut bon irameli baba. Unda wa muri agbon severi yo we wa hia wa ahwa no bia. Obia ele you wa hio wa ba hia wa yo bia ya yo wa san wa van no go even make una proud. Ije who wa diji inferiority complex women. Ari ko ni inferiority complex in lowo. A complexity of buwawa. Complexity or reduce that buwa to a point and zero. Somebody say food centro. Ije a son wa van wa le ba mu yo to no ye dagbo we me kwen we me mo. Uyi ge e handicap ya deliver ene Ogbonagbe destiny for. No wonder whether yes when the leaky period they call Ogbonagbe destiny. Now they call the man. Yes, I know Bola we here don't know wala iwa o. Wa we mi na ya argue wa we mi no ma e wa ya we so wala o. Cause I know the man me lie so eh. Ije the one we deceive for social media for online. They are not get the way they be not the let person talk. He ever cry when woman just they cry for how many years he say, or your body your way, or your life for he chop everything where they pot. He don't leave anyone. A pot to the level say the new husband just see the color of the smoke, he don't stop. Or man always something different. Who are digi? Our God be destiny. Also now you popo luwakwa. Because why they you po? Either what do I ever that muku? Why go to lokoji? Just to go inside supermarket, una buy beer we una like, una go buy food we una like. Why that they are dio wa do put on worry you eh? And that food, no, I'm not go buy for grand. Make una go work, make the woman, they go see una wife. Person go say, wow, what a woman, sweet woman. Who is behind this woman? I lie yo. Now they go they see. Husband, not that I am your own. Now husband, the fat oko even again. I tell you, we will be one will lot of again. Both you two. Oh, salopwa. Good evening, my darling. You will be one will lot of. Or what you got me say? One that shall never end to. Arab my rose said, don't buy me wash. No wonder one among the let person rest for you on a day. Instead, one go mail on a lash and learn go the copy people wait their own, they do their own, they go. Come see me a day. Come see me a day if you ready to worry me. Come see me, oh. If you ready to worry me a day pay no, don't beg me, irobalo. Come see me a day pay, oh. If you ready complex they worry me, come see me, oh. Useless women. We don't work no view or say. If you come on, no no kwa the baby. Aka bege li bugwe be aka leg be bege glace. Qui j'aime ça le bois. Ah, quel manana. Qui j'aime. Ah oh. See, you see the reason why they don't leave anything for children. Eritotenia si no go be. O si any man de na se mi ro ba ni bie ka because sin ya gwa lu ro pa. O ka sin ya bo kinsan. Ami ni ya gwa lu bugwe. Nothing where they sabi you see. Help me to share like and love this video. I mean, if they see for another person, but they go die for their eye, they want to carry that thing, they want to be like you. Somebody say, I was thinking she will grow sense and change her yama way and act like a wife. She come worst. How she go take better? You know, say I tell when I say that time when she do that marriage, we not go see her. We not see her. Mama beg, hey, what my young go marriage? Now we consider say, no matter your marriage again. Oh, now we veer. Oh, come here, me where I want to be like Rita, not be formato. Yeah, that moment go and look. Since when you go carry China food dicon. Okay, no. A bad no here. Or you go here, you for never be like Bini. One time people come they say now, so you can do content. I say content. Oh, me where you want to see I professor? A food diga queer. Oh, you know the baby food to go jaw. Have it be at done. I walk back with destiny. They make me the run for them. I know they like me. Imakwe. Then you say, hello, baby. Say now we la go. Yet I don't do what they put to me. A pot I don't say you what. Ni aya le na nation to no boy VB. Me we no sabi even put her for granted work for woman. You know they see the way Dr. Rita be. Can't you see how I am looking shiny? Now man they take care of me. What do you say it be? I will say I even watch now. Every day down at the shot for live video. Why giare? I who waga beg is son. I who why son. Eke sani ya mruba basis. I wa go. Who wa fiame situ wa wia. Yeah, dismay. Who we camera wa le camera we aswa ma na me tatu san ya wa. Ba me gbe egbag mo ma o wa ba bi gbini igbino jago so lo sin fuku wa rere. Somebody say, nah, since they make me they laugh, she go see the show her for live video. Pregnant and troubled. Oh, come and move. I am telling you. Oh no, my darling, more on the shoes well. Oh, I'll choose out say what I choose. Me on the open where you see some. There are some people when you just say these ones will not go close. Any now go and be destiny now. You will be me at money like bien. No be carry ta mama we change it. I been in that thing be nya say the be na mo. We call we cause we be say go sit die go dey call my name. Ni na do azet ya thing be nya we are your trouble yan let's say na ma say I was eh? You see say your mates they marry you can go marry where he marry me and you marry ma him a piece. A piece ma go be like that way. Shame go even like you they say I marry oh wait you marry. Marry ma we not the feed you. But nobody get handicap for. When we are show be life the way me proud show you where you dey handicap no fear left wo wa. Eh? Me you can't show that your children are they handicap in the government to eh? I'm not reduce we were more. Half picking the government to on we to money on a rigoni no awa. Una ya rigoni mo food na do move you wa or be destiny o be e na yo bo. Since now wait your life e that mo we dey okay. Ikorioma ye gbojuku. Ikorioma ye gbojuku. Ikorion is still doing something. Eh? Pepper the marriage where they do a come and say you want to do marriage. Say you see people where they do marriage for street. Eh be your boy am your name your boy move you. What is your bad share? Why name be kian man wey no get help for. He put for his ass. After that one, and I so cry. When they cry, they call people for street. Like, oh, you see that one where that their sister, that is sister where marry Kokobiri. What is your bad share? Who is your sister? Ah, your sister where? I be your yak monkey here me. Where beg him again make big one and we big one. And I'm again. Uya obey man. He marry the street now. Ya marry no. Ya marry na. Una amu a baby no say baby no me. Wo wana mujo. Wa baby na tell that yo my dad be. Mwen po la ye ke no tell that yo. Yeah, you go for the after they don't finish una throw una for street una come dey cry. Now so I do this one. Now so I do that one. Now so I do the other one. Now so I do the other one. I come buy 10 pots. I come dey cook for. You can the shop. You can do this one. Very restless women. Child. Is that not terrible? Very restless women. Now lie you. If they see peace for your life, that peace they go locate and they go there, they follow up and down. They'll be calling you, come, let's come and have a talk together. Restless ekitas. Avec it big day. Avec it big day. Man, pack, go meet woman. Can you imagine? Pack, come on for us where day. You run, go meet woman. They shop. The only thing where that one don't know na food. That is what is even more irritating. Shame on you. If to say that dog where you come meet for his ass, after meeting that person, you cannot even change her life. Nothing good that you can give to her. Nothing. You can't upgrade her. Okay, what is the difference between you and the baby papa that left? Baby papa, where you chop your money finish before you don't leave her. What is the difference between the two of you? If that is the only thing you can also do. He says some days ago, she mistakenly said the truth that you and Jama First Lady advised her not to accept her bad baby papa. I don't want her around me. I don't like her. I will never accept. I don't have anything to do with her. Whether good though, whether bad though, I don't want her to talk about me. That friendship which she define for me, I don't like give her. The time when she go even say she want to talk good about me, that is when I will conquer. Yes, just to prove a point to say, I will ever chase you out of my territory. Now forever out of my territory. You see people like una. I don't even know why you cause you want be one be. E mani me he only me areke ni anje. E he egbe ma le nubanaje. To even call my phone. Me no say na to you dirty. I go green me you come. Now hook up you find reach where I did now. E hook up do gwalo. E kia do gwalo na munu. And the man go come back. He say you no get wetin want this cupboard they do. That is how you describe you that kind of my cupboard do yeke man. Me ya we ya we like mon le yin ya my cupboard do. Don't talk me later. He look me like say as you cute, so maybe the woman where you want to collect for you and so it will be. I don't know them. People where they come meet me for hookup. I don't follow them. They ask. Only no marry mother. Oluku. Very shameless goat. Patoka ye left job and very. Oh my god, we Okonwe we every day patoka you wa. He no get peace of mind. He go they look for trouble. Agbo agbiju agbera dag mo we have TikTok. E sera hia gbu wa wodo. O ye dag mo wa to no gberi omo no ma area gbon. Ah! It's gene. Which kind illiterate be all this one? Me Adiak Mumari, I'm really illiterate, not the state there. More than no vessel, my darling people. This one has nothing to do with nobody. It's just for me. And it is my wish. If they come back life again, area where illiterates they, me not the state there. Because their things, they always do different. They compete with themselves. They will set a competition for themselves. Only them will be doing the competition they set for themselves alone. These are the typical characters of illiteracy. They will set a competition for themselves. They will be trying to meet up with the competition, the one they set for themselves. They will be competing with themselves. They will be running alone with their own shadow. After running with their shadow, they will be proving a point with something that is not existing. They will try to prove a point with what everybody will even be pity for their mental health. Have you seen such a thing before? That one is a typical character of illiteracy. When you will see a person setting a competition for themselves, trying to meet up with what they set with themselves, dragging other people into people who don't even regard them as relevant at all. To say this one, I can never, nothing with you. Say they mention your name, say na me and you, God forbid back. They'll be trying to use that their dirty body to rob you. Thank you, my darling. Person where they enjoy marriage, go they shout on top pregnancy every day. They'll be calling you into their nonsense. Now so the other one they shout that day, oh yeah, come make we fight. Oh yeah, come make we fight. Oh yeah, come make we fight. Fight who? Who did your bad we were bola like be. Avi ko ni bag mama oho. Ya avi ko ne sufie me kui. Oh yeah, come. Oh yeah, come. Oh yeah, come if I look at all this one, mumu people. Who get on time? Me they look on like mumu. We mumu me ya wa. Big one. Those days, let me not tell you what one. Not be now. We be say. Man, me gave us what we be say they go. Una not they pop up anywhere around my Facebook at all. Hey, I was wondering now here. Come on, then for this one. Don't see the chat, mumu. Now, so I tell the see you now. Some of you just need to upgrade yourself in the right way. You know, you need to give. You know me say your parents no train you, or your parents did not send you to school. Your parents did not give you any iota of humanity inside you as a human being. You need to die like that. You can't die like that. Change your parents, you know, policy. Those are they were the policies of your parents. You can change them as you are existing as a human being now. Definitely, you can change your parents' policy. Those were the policy of your own parents. They were the policies of your parents. Don't try to live the policies of your parents. I know that inferiority complex is worry now. I don't already know now finish. I've known you guys that you guys are suffering from inferiority complex. Even when you open your mouth to talk, you can see very huge inferiority from you people. You feel so inferior. Every day when I want to shout for life, you call people name, different people name before you can feed yourself, feed your lazy husbands. I will lazy men when street on another yamu on yamu bewe foodie on have to move you talk. People when you they laugh for life, you bewe and make walking yam muscle way. Eh? Or you have to master condition where you have a gena. Which kind of condition be this one? The other day when you do that as a gamba marriage, you want to prove say na big. You know me na wanna. If I like be man. Go and meet your mate. We be say una the guy that they drag on herself. So I not be your mate. Take my name out of your dirty mouth, out of your mouth. Ugly human being. I don't have anything to do with ugly women. I don't align myself with you people. You people are a bunch of shame and disgrace. You can be living your life all your life, almost I don't know how many years all your life. You can't clean your body. Ordinary cleanliness cannot be in your body. You come and be using your dirty skin to stain me. I will not allow it. Never. I'm not going to allow lie. I'm not going to allow now. I know what you see for my body with my name, not the common for mat. Why am I I just dislike you people, and I just want you people to be on your own. Learn how to stay your lane. Mind your business. All of them way they fight and get fight. One man walk back with me now. Yeah, go and face them. Get away from here. Dirty women. Oh yeah, me and I go face people one and they gather the fight. The other one is calling you on TikTok. The other one getting you permanent one way go give her for that side. Why am I dying with me now for? Have a kita. Have a yakota ni ma emi bien. Illiteracy. Illiteracy or beluwa. When illiteracy go don't shop their brain finish, you will see them, they will set competition for themselves. They will be trying to meet up with the competition that they have set for themselves. You are very correct, my darling. Say woman where they enjoy love and peace, you know the chance where they find saga up and down. So my question now is that the one I'm asking her to tell her, what is now fighting her? Is it that she is now being troubled? Una no say that girl, he probably they start. He probably they start when they don't face internal problem for inside house. The times, all those times before when she was passing through this same depressed condition which she did so, I told you people that It's not normal. What did they do? They want to live your life. The life they are seeing in you, they want to live it. That is where the problem is. They are not being able to live it because that their partner is not what they really want. Look at her problem. A pregnancy in the street. Can you imagine? Every 2 minutes. No, every 2 minutes. Who did you? Have you only bekan? You may be bitter women, bitter soul. Si only bekan, have you yakuta? That's why I tell you, look now. I only have one, I be that one. You people can never bring me to your level. It's not possible because we're being dirty women. Just imagine how dirty that one be. We go sit down instead, we go face life now. Like you, now they don't put you for. Say, I was going to talk to another woman for toilet. Your depression don't they have? It don't the real skill. Hey, tell me no like better magnum. Hey, boy. Yeah, the rest let's say where are you bed in? After me, where you bogey horion when you don't see a bogey horion when we Geneva with a area where I we're going to move for. It's Salayo. You hear this me. 100% with that being told, I'm very confident inside me. I know, say, I'm market that they use you do. A illiteracy when we illiteracy or joy character you don't get, fine you don't find, nyash you don't get, back you don't get, face you don't get. See where you even are saying, where normal person want carry you go? Where? Where is it relax? You can never relax in this life. They play. A relax, I mean, well, a relax, you go to see you the wrong. But man, you why so why? At the make content, sometimes you see they say at the make content, a baby, or no one gear you ever hear it. Yeah, what again? I hear it being very last. Yeah, my guessing, I mean, what the rescue get the way they walk. Dear madness. You get the way they walk before you know it is happening while they're begging out the streets and then what they lying, be what they are making here. If they just see small piece. Like the other one that they want me small piece, what they like 1 minute or 10, what they lie, you know what they beg joy, oh, this women really want to be happy, God. Give them happiness, Baba. They can worry about peace because someone not. It's just he gets more peace. He himself consider to say, I know they disgrace my family for street. Every now they come back. Every now they come back. He say, I know they disgrace. I know they disgrace my family. I know be like the way they disgrace their family. Now we come back here, Baba. Or why they so depressed. We depressed has no Jenny Neban, a baby or a young man with all the story and what you read back boy. Is ye? And you are that Muana, a women in Wawarina. Hey, wow, this kind of mad life for your concern, so now your day. If they just reach the environment where they trouble, then you'll see the way they will do. They will be heavily troubled. Okay. You don't see in this environment no trouble in Yami. Immediately, you just really reach the environment where the trouble and while I be like me. Now we hear. Of this environment no kukweni. They are not difficult to know. Just be looking at them. We hang out my benny and we carry your dirty come out here. Use your dirty testing. No more dirty weather. Can I not be? I'm going to say with a letter V news to my darling. Et me a bon what be anyone. No be as be one bon. Edward. Or atutu po yoyo. Edward or atutu po yoyo. I want to be my for one mama. No be that bon go see bon. Ere o we abo de agbo be the money yeke odo ya mi na eme. Eme abi e wo be anyone. Na anyone me bon. We me. Oh, give me now, me. Come on, carry my name, comment for your man de measure my name na me. Na come verse and tell and say, baby papa. Wow, I never need the person like you around me. I don't have anything to do with you. Me and you not go anywhere. I can't say you are my friend. I cannot even say, not even daughter. I reject you in the mighty name of Jesus. Doing what? What's the bonny? God forbid bad thing. When you come in for phone, I don't know what I tell you where you attached to your head, where you were thinking that there's ever anything that is going to tie me and you together. Now you had they call me for a cell phone. You were looking for a friend everywhere. Now you still carry me go street, go to the chat. Now by force, I don't know you. I was inside my house when you called me. I don't want to have anything to do with you. You reach when they deny. Your mama should deny you where born you for toto. Brothers and sisters where no way get you then deny you. Now me we don't know you before when you call for phone. I know go come wrong. Deny you. Yagi yaw. Ikbia na biele na ya leko ha. Oba no metua. Ikbia na biele na ya leko ha. Now me we can use I see you for street say me la we gbogbo kian you we other friend la we. Now me go come say this and that. You see me for inside marriage, you say marriage they give. Una we marriage or PC, they give any PCG. You want go wrong, enter wule la no na amoluku. You can't go carry oluku. Akwe dem akbe webo. That one the only thing we can do for life na food. He was thinking that if I enter this marriage as Rita just this, so Rita sweet. So if me enter, so I go sweet. I'm going to be very sweet like Dr. Rita. Cool. They play a market. Pregnancy where people go they rock. Have man ni enegbe na gbon a oho. Ni enegbe. Yeah, I'm working an episode total wo. You go my coffee, you go say that is the rubber. That's the rubber. Me na ye na finish some ko ye mo se God forbid back me I no even fine na they play me ire gbele erun do wa pe ma wo wa do ye jealousy gbe me wa abi ko ni gbe kan bitter women abi wa no jealousy we me obe na if na see person wey fine pass na for street wa ga ko ehia ruru who better pass no get children wey better pass me ya no mas wa ga ru lele we gbe ya ikun wa ga yo fuck we ehia we na ga be e kili win on you ni sare wa get do abi ko ni gbe kan emi na me won no ma mo ele inu wa won e go wo ya yin because e gbe kun wa I'm restless women. Just have to pay benefit today. That my benefit that was the handicap. The handicap on the one lawyer kona. Handicap no lawyer go. Am I beg a decade or handicap was a yene? May say, now so we can carry handicap, we carry and go rehabilitation. We do this one, mammy no certain way. I want the handicap over here, I live money, or beg way. They use handicap money to the cook for bed with the shop every 2 minutes. Now you go see come and define people where they are when they go no mind. If I'm working here, we are going here. I do what this is now. We play one. And that one because of women they are so. They do what only left for one. Wherever we are that. They do what way. The time where they jealous, they cry for my mother. They try Agbada husband. Salo bueno ane rungo wana papa. Jaire nou ve mok bane. Na o meke nak mame no me pisi. Ogre. C'est with a big letter. Excellent maswe. Nikki Gold, not can use laugh take by me. Now so I pray for her for inside this house. I say my God, remember now all these bitter women. Anything where they find me reach their hand, they make it now because they not bungwe. They cry for no reason. They cry for no reason. If you want to know how bitter they are, me not they come out for live video every day with them. I'm not on live video with them. I they do my things, they go see as they did that their live video every 2 minutes where they for the sharp way they know they see 1 cent. You will not even see the sign of the live video in them. Ugliness everywhere. Who dirty for face, you go dirty anyhow. You don't feel look them. If we all even na room say, na kwa say what be face wa. O wa yele na homa no you go ko mu oye every day. It's just aloboa. Who wa diji? Happy me anona. Na kwa say what be, na say what be o wa yele na homa ni. You go just be like person wey be say you go be like person wey be say elephant have been a tiger see for inside bush. You don't use ona wa yi here zinzanzan o wa. You go dey look at I face no man agbon here na here. E kan gbe na o keni na. U ba o wa ye na wa mulo bia na wa twisan you ana isan way we va van we e buta. O say na ya vie my darling people. Now make me dey understand una condition sometimes o. The condition one. Sometimes also reason with you people. I say a condition wa je o go viaka. Una condition no be o go viaka my darling people. O say na so. People who they look and want be like they are very soft. Soft life. They pay attention why you wada you dey dey why the relevant in there. Yeah, you be like the only admire come away wow beautiful. You look good. Oh wow okay no. Na go touch high tension wire. So te esu wapo. Why you so? Who are you going to say? Who want me? When I'm going about soft to say, person don't they go the age they go now is supposed to even soft fast. Now it's supposed to even soft pass. You go soft well. They cute, they fine. Now that one me day after, we're not day after anything at school with me. Where you on be na then apart from say you go Nigeria go pay bread price. A big room price, I don't know what you go pay. I me compare we go the ticket in worry. Why me bo? Why they enjoy life for na couple, you know they. If they see you now, what we la dia ko be who ma we say. Fa ya wa bi san ba yo. As gamba mo where did they carry they go? don't put your body for social media conversation. I better go bath. Go bath. Ya you kwa kuwa now they complain they cry. You first of all go and clean up your body before you carry yourself on social media. Not be when you be like people where they say for ring road. I've been having even for 2025. Osaloba me la wo. Even wa mi go water ma bon. What you na dey see, no go let una tell the whole world. Now only cry when una come dey bring am out through tears. If you pali yan we so o butter. But the truth be say what you na dey see. You know the let person dey give my explain my bon. Somebody say, Rita, you still dey born. I think say you know they born again. I'm not joking, my darling. When I not see my pregnancy, look at me for my day age. See my pregnancy. Go see small girl. Wait, say na small girl you be where you drive for back, drive for front, drive for everywhere like waiting they no know. Manicure or where back home. It drive for everywhere. You have to have it in your mind. I don't like you. No matter what you will do, I will never like you. Ile ya zigamba yawo. Yake yawo. Wa gari ye ropa. Eskumajo. Umerere. Umose. Umagalanti. Wetin I want to do? I bet shifty. Make I pass. Have it quick. Wabe na rokwa be. Na you. Oh God, Rita. So far there. I don't so far Betty Jehovah. I work with the most second let the yaga delay in my dao. But come and see me. But come and see me. Oh, my darling people is so terrible. When you take here, at that time you can see all those pigs. They will fall for your front. They want you to see them by force. Who did your bad gel? I will go one. If we were you know, I got when they say, go away so they make way and we may shame and disgrace. Come on, go and face your mate again. You want to with the more die again. See that? More die, my hell, don't. No, let's can no mammy and Monre. I want my thing when I be. You say like, I'm telling you. Good evening, Mama Favor. How are you? Come on. If you work for yourself, when you go see people where go marry, go say, man, you'll be seeing what they'll be talking about or the way they'll be doing their life. You know, someone will go be a marrow. Yeah, a single mother should with depression. A depression or a mighty upgrade, they not or mighty upgrade, but when you know, Kababe or a single mother, oh, lago go. My darling people now way is single. This video is for you people. We never marry a single mother. Because me, not be saying I even joking, life you go now, go now, be. I worry me. Hey? If to say that this thing, no sign of upgrading, no modernization for their life at all. Yeah, we can rock me, I rock you. I let them move on top. Yeah, but very local things. Locality at its peaks. The only thing man will just come do for your life now to just sit down. Do you know how irritating it is to people? You people are shame. Illiteracy is a disease. Very heavy disease. Now big disease, now it be. Man, we know itself every day. Well, why long no only no come to now? You know they work. You know see made for work with the work. Why you boy see a jobless element to get bene? Why so much money? Why got money and central ni na be why the 1990 2025 I get with the big boy central. Who are these? I dey come and have to me carry my child. I get the big boy central. How do you know women? Women they do central for old age. If you want to know, say this woman men still they play on central for old age. They know they get peace. Now that one they know. A peace in your kawaya, a peace in what you that movie. Your father here, your big. Oga gbegbe. Yon pa be ye, oga gbegbe. O iga gbegbe ni o. Uwa ewe yo wo. Aye gbo we sentro we gbo ma. Ekwe mu wa. Ave de ne bi aye gbe sentro we o deji ba na e mu wa fo anu wa ga single mother. Egbo wa ya hin meme. You streets every day. I don't tell my giwa. You hear this me? Thank God that somebody say thank God that I finished taking my evening bath. I'll be my darling. Yeah. Not be only that one, my darling people. Atutu po yoyo. Eme abi evo bi emi won we nonji. You hear this me? Say na so dem be o. I am telling you. Now what just make me dey dislike most of them? I be that one. You come go my life. Enjoyment wey no enjoy since you see you go dress, you go out. I think vie life wa ye mi akon. E life wa ki aka o ge ye ke. Mo yan ti e bonu wa. Shameless people. Una when they look outside, no man see the way the world they operate, they modernize. How we go? They will go carry that their locality way be like that. They will carry and come here and total. Right from time, I'll be telling you people. If you want, make me will be rich, I hate you. Wow, look, we are now why you live there. We will call you. I'm not going to be able to know report to work with you. Frustration, you see, you will be. I will work in an PC. Their wife, no, they get peace. When you go on live there, they will. And that's also food that they want, meat, food. Wale, ni got your phone, walare. Yes, actually, a love. Ni agele honi. Ni beri lasi. Nun o honi ale ho we mi o se be because o honi ga boli fun be ya le da ni yaye. Who wa diji? The flesh way they the woman body, now they go lot they cook for them. I am telling you people, wait till they cause their cry and be that one. All boli fun be ya le da ni yaye. You go use this. Sometimes even when anybody me le beso. Son mi le gbe yan, ou mi le gbe no ko. O da fun e ba sie ya ye ko, o sie ya ye gbe. The woman ye be na ka segie, o ye be na ka feme no botan never tan. Ije, e ba ya we ba dele yo ya na pa wari ya. U gbe so ese mo bo. Ya vie mo la demo ye son son, o ye si. O ye sika sika. Iyan to bi yan, mo gba yan. U ga be yan wa hu se, u wa wi yan. U se mu yan o gba. Ba be abo luku. Bi an bi da nu kwa mu yan gba set enjoy life wa mi e pa gbon bi gbuwa. No address na we ni ate na himo tagbon na mi e buwa e Germany ma we je GP ro. Are you crazy? Who is your mate? Akmangiri oke 1000 ni 800 euro aye push here. Ya mo duro boy do mu fiwo wa no ya we ya le ma e de gbe. Come they talk to me anyhow. I be your mate. Who me make gbe kian ye. See? Like cause I will darling, sometimes I'll be holding my mouth. I say, man, I don't like to talk to them because if I don't look at that, see people when you want even go talk to. The worst part of the picture where by here, you was on message. I will give you. If I see my picture in their own, I make big blog anywhere. That is why I blocked all the blog away there to cyberspace. He blocking your but no one, not they see any of them. He blocking all this. If the blogger that today is out of the open Facebook. I see anything concern me, then the next way I do, I will give a report. Poor report into that page. Come up my picture for that. Blog then come up for my for that. How about me? I'm Samba, your Samagwan. Samagwan kind of people who sit down, they call your name. That is sister. The sister of Boo. Why is sister way? When you make it, I would be better. I want. God forbid back to him. Oh, yeah. Say your name. At this junction when I did, so I know where I belong to. I don't be baby anymore. I know where I belong to. I know the people that are supposed to be in my campaign. I know the people that are supposed to be in my territory. I want me to go to the Bema. I bet the David, if you can't, the hour do you bear for how many years? By yes, some. You know what you na mat the talk, you know, rhyme with what they apple for una body. Me una they look una skin, me una they look una body. What you na mat the talk, you know, they rhyme with una body. 9% where people they laugh now. That is why whatever come out of your mouth, nobody believe because it's not rhyming with your body. How can people believe when peace they come inside body they come from? It will rhyme with your body, then people will know. Okay, it's not rhyming. You are like a zagazaga or meme. Yeah, this man. What is it that you're going to say that people are going to believe? When what you are saying is different, your skin or your body, your face, your totality is talking another thing. Your entire life is talking another thing. You are saying another thing. You want people to believe you. They will always contradict you. It will be hard for them to believe and you will be thinking that people hate you. Nobody hates you. It's you that is hating yourself. Because you are lying to yourself, even from the pit of hell. You don't have peace and you know it. And you'll be using the peaceless life that devil has given to you. You'll be using it to disturb people with peace around the city. And when they will just pinch you, you will cry over that pinch for life. She said she wants the boy to be like a Kia slave husband. Can you imagine? Now so he come meet the one where he don't live on before. That one come meet me, say John no, I never even reach 2 days, he don't let her rest. He dey disturb her, they say, me come marry. He use marriage disturb that one till that one carry bag, he run come out. He say, no, the kind of marriage will be this one. He say, I never know you. That one was afraid to say, this woman too ugly. I don't like her. May I first see whether things go change. Now lie, yo. I'm not gonna say, me come marry. Now that one carry bag, he run, he call me. As he call me, now we don't see leg go. Why here go door? Me una dey go. Don't call my phone. You see, I be mama. Say, mama for waiting. God forbid bad thing. Move go down. You use how many years take right? I record down. Come give me record. For waiting, record who have me. When he give na go me. God forbid bad thing. I be sana no na more sanya mama with the put this another way. Good evening, Laura Kim. How are you, my love? I just tired. He won't be like me. I can't look for person where they go and they go. Before that one, they fight my husband every day. Oh, but that husband. I got that market now. Beg, I got that you are. I got that husband. Where my got that to be where. I did the beg on him because I don't know why you're married. Where mammy out. Why fall in love with young boy, call your men and bang them for. I want to gamble lads and I'm in a yow. If one are you, one are you, one I want to go one be alles why. I don't feel like Jerry. Nice answer for the do now. People like that. Yeah, why am I going to one more reality time? Yeah, Mamma Coco, if you have a photo of whom can I move you on way? What did you? Now, so you go sit there, even without their half body and half life. Now, they will come sit down for the talk to you. They will come they use that their dirty mat till they finish you. For when you sit down, put on your own. Illiteracy. Illiteracy is a heavy disease. Are you not seeing now that even when a lot of them will be fighting to say, I want to go, they cannot secure it? It's inborn, my darling. Those things now blood day. You can't copy it and have it. It's not possible. Go sit down for one coffee shop, the video yourself. It won't work. It's not in you, my darling. Because of Dr. Kunisa, what many of them never do? To the year way of market, you don't come up for inside market because of me. Same person. Akimani gwa. Babe Dr. Kunisa, to what this yo? Yeah, ma wow. I mean, we can be that woman. And that will be their name. You can be kind to because you can be kind. You saw me. Me go see na lie. I don't follow the daily life. They go still get peace. Now what? Go see they go use that lie come me. You don't go so yakom. Oh yakom. Yakom you can follow me fight. Yakom you can follow me fight. Look at you people. Your mates are una mates they do go front now they do go back. You people should be ashamed of yourself. I'm a content creator. And the same social media one day now. Facebook money no they not shame they worry most of them. You don't want to have peace because of shame. And you know the kind of people you are packing. You know who are the pack worker, dirty women who are like you, who cannot even look at you people when you even decide to say, I want to do any other thing. They will not have your time. Because the only people who can get to time sometimes, let me go and look at their shame, how their frustration be today. How the level of their pain be today. Is their pain high? Let us go and look at it again. Hey, why you show if a pain, why near why frustration or why being I am to say, Mama says statement they had on that bed. Can you imagine? That one will not even be better person. Go see come and go say you want a best person. Hey! Say hello, boy. We want you to check me back more, Baba. That one will not even be better person. Eh, oh, bien, oh, eh, qui arrive à son, eh, qui arrive à fin, eh, qui arrive là-haut, eh, qui arrive lié, eh, mon nissan. Fish shape. Oye, mais n'a rien. Il faut non bekia, ou à béni, à quelqu'un, il y a une bekia. If not be said they want call you whether either you wear dolly be no bougie. But yeah, you this me. Come on, get away from here. Who were me there? Uzu, where can sell me marriage? When my mother make it all, where can 11, 12 years ago? Ulawene, when young when I beg in the drive to Western. I beg any and Germany in ye here. No how many years? You say that today. So come back, man. Just look at you. Now last year for year, now they say you do marriage. You didn't hear last year, man, we marriage. You work with your man in the year. We maxi. Yeah, you know, it be 30, 300 years in a marriage. If shame was a person. People should be ashamed of yourself. The person don't know the near. But if you near una go near. The worst part of it, they give una no dey feel resistant. And women no emma, you can see a point can watch it because you have your bone. Don't be saying that if you go no say na person to you. Awa no mak balo no watalo la diam. Ave mo mama ne move go no watalo no mak ba. E me no la diam no. Person wey no dey talk every day. Na it to pass. The day we go hammer you, E there you. Why you 300 years you have yo? Abi ave we na gba ene no talo every 2 minutes bada. We you tamo na no aka go balo. O meme. Na e lag gba ina mo ya ha we meme ne. Someone can never be like I saw the boy tell me that time. Say he go dey disturb me, come and marry me. You know say Ekia slave, you know say the way your husband they do like that. Come and marry me. You forget say that one no be Benin boy. When I go no su go born a Benin boy. No re we yo. Unu nuka ya tie born here ne. I no get wetin they use Benin boy. Don't you pack so bo. At the end of the day, I market. That bon we okule wa ni. Okule fu ni. Uhie e mato no kun se. They look women for life with you. Why are you going to be on the social media now? Look them, you see the kind of people with they marry. Whether we have even at a big basin, ya live in a we only go you worry about destiny. And now you go first consider the insult people husband. Where? Why are you go a turbo, a wahala? Now you go down and on to your way, look. Olwe ya no be who be. Ya no wari what shirt is your to talk about okay no who you wo nya. Una never see am when they shop fufu. Oga idea ma for na wo ye ga ja wo je ba wo ji. Before you even enter there that day, yeah, never reach like that. So we gbesi o si ezuo. O bia ga yo egbegbe. Wa ga ya do agi kori of egbe. We are say say kenuje ma if I am when you say kenuje you want to show that you are a good woman. You think say na by to dey cook 24 hours na they tell they show you are a good woman. Go upgrade yourself. Tell you na you no ka ugbo no ikeke lawa. Na to dey cook 24 hours. Who le no si yo to. Who we wari we that na you we with queen. No ya win na no you know you use am pradi. Why you gun pradi? Why you me pradi? My husband is working and taking care of me. I beg you, go say no no go. Those are the things you are supposed to be showing. Somebody like me, woman like me, now waiting me to see those one. If not be that one, my darling they play. Everything we person they see for this life, me ya phone. It can have property say you want sony. It can be almost say bio sony. Everything, cars, houses. Ijo. The thing where they treat me now just beauty. I always say it on live video. Softness of a woman. Oh, what cute. Tell you we invoking now. Your body no are yakmori. No only the way are you me. Don't be say you go be like Akmani go away. Be saying all the whole accent we go where we call the tell me say now swipe. But what is that? Who we me if I now let's say I go why I the restaurant I me go away. Only even do ever go. I will home bear way. The year this me. They get shame. Before you go sit down, the call will not call you. You will fail look your life. We get dark more. We don't know where you see give. We know. Working with happy destiny way, no. How will you help your destiny? At the end of the day, it does not help your destiny. Like Barry Gaga. Me, not the social media with you now every day. I'm studying. My study not be joke. It's not to compete with anyone. I am doing it for myself. It's not for social media. It's not for anybody. It's for real. Reality. I'm dealing with reality. I'm not dealing with every 2 minutes. At the end of the day, me not one no women wait TV school system years sit down and do a topic about it. Me mo patala dem no go I been here na hosa. Why egbuwa? The reason we not paying on the finish na be all those one. The Bible was certified because why egbuwa for no ya face reality wo. The reality atana. Somebody say how man go just dey eat like goat. If to say na hunger dey drive on the point, no go chop like goat. Wetin you want to? I don't even know you want your cat at deva seki. I be my darling people, not be so many people they talk. Nya wa ajeki me no ka you want your kia katse. Anything carry you go market na you febe. Because na that one carry you go market. They mani bien mono straight nya gbe me go me wo ni ja di kapu. O ri ga di kapu ya mo be ne obehwe ga e oluku. Ya ha we are me yan gun wa no we la den wa ni. I want marry people, yeah, I want marry. They're sitting at better thing want come out for inside. They want to see a love story. At the end of the day, they are able to. I possible make the guys look you allow you you say now all those things they don't treat me. Get what they treat me. If you want, you get what they treat me. What me they like. Don't be all those one. Softness, not soft if you. I mean, when the big can see our bad one name, we want to make it a memo you by who. Now, only what I did, but I know the value. I don't value nonsense. And rubbish. No way. That's why they shift. What illiterates are known for? They are known for unnecessary competition. They are known for inferiority complex. They are known for always calling people names because they want to be relevant. They are known for always drawing irrelevant, trying to draw irrelevant attention. And by force, they draw people attention. By force. They want to force. They force everything. They force love. Even love where they follow them, they say as they force it. Even their husband's love, they force it. I am telling you. If to say na man, na that stark illiterate be, they force their wife love. Now they fight with their wives. They give those women troubled life because they are facing heavy inferiority complex. Heavy complexity now they face for where those women, they see those women as bigger than them. So they know they give them peace. They will trouble your life. Some of them will even make you to become a baby mama. They will frustrate you and they will still leave you. So just see, if it's sideways, if the illiterate the woman a problem, if the man a problem, the only way they cure her is for you to be self-confidence and get correct awareness. Then you will be okay for life. If not, my darling, don't entangle yourself with them. Nothing good come out of their life. No matter their life, irrelevant nonsense. They cannot boil the beans without competition. They don't feel boiling. They are nothing. Complete nobody. Noise makers. They know how to make noise and disturb people around. They are only made for noise. That's why you see most of them get men and get men, get women, or women to say in Africa would be. What else are you going to take out of their life? Yeah, people. And even the laughing words now you give them. That's what your life worth. Is that not what you show outside every day? Even I beg you, boy, I have come away. If they see for your body. Sometimes some of them will look. You are give one. You are going to. They may feel what they may not have nobody or man what I said to take care. Or market and I feel better. I could look for how many years. I will give her. But did they pepper the anyhow? Now do women, darling people. The one I make on the rock pregnancy. Who get pregnancy? No, I know what they are rock pregnancy for this summer. Who get let they say us like rats. Even I will be good on my near. In my phone one day. I live at iPhone to walk in the money. Living I live in the army. I can make home. Troubled people. I can make home. No, we are saying, you know. Even with pregnancy or more and everything. What get out more? It's a consequence dans la vie qu'on a mis avec we will be 2025. Ah, il bloque son ya rob mais là on bloque son godo. Il bloque son we no we ya rob mais wa. You sant rob me. Agbera one in long time. Long time. Wa we amare ya la tan wa ka gin eh u no ko na ya mare ya o iwa gban no we me ye mu se o. Also o chai. Look how beautiful this woman is. Wow. Marriage just really changed this one. She's looking so cute these days. Me, myself, I go even give you accolades. Somebody say exactly, they run from there now. Assumption, they think they deal with things. I'm telling you, they always deal with things with assumption because what they are assuming with for themselves, what did they pass through their head, what did they use their head, they assume. They will be thinking that is what everybody is thinking. That is why they'll be fighting themselves. They'll be using their own hands to fight themselves, fight their peace, fight. EJ. Thank you so much. Their words not they add up. Their words does not add up. They cry for no reason. Nobody will be beating them, they'll be crying. The reality inside their life is the one that will be beating them and fighting them. They'll be assuming. Just imagine. And they are always poor thinkers. They are very poor in thinking. They don't know how to think. They don't know how to rationally think and deal with things. Heavily poor thinkers. Let them be. A person that is poor in thinking like that, where will you go? Where you go carry that kind of people go? Avoiding them is the best. Everything in their life is force. When you see people who force to get people attention too much, that's how they force their relationship. There's no difference, my darling. You think there's difference? Really? Be playing. That's the way they force attention inside their relationship. There is no difference. That's why they are not looking good. I am telling you with everything in me. That's the truth. They are not looking good because they force attention in their relationship. They force if you see them forcing attention in the street, that's how they are. That is how their relationship is. They also force attention inside. Before they are not used to it. It's like a punishment that God gives to them in their life. So they are used to forcing things before it happens to them. They are used to forcing people before they get the attention of the person. They will knock. They'll be knocking. They will be knocking, begging, pushing, forcing the man attention. Forcing the attention. Or forcing whoever is around them, the woman, attention. Please give me attention. Please give me attention. Please give me attention. Finally give them, they will celebrate. Some of them, that's why I don't mention their names in my mouth. Just mention their name, they will celebrate. That their dirty name, we say they don't even like. They will celebrate, they use you to the yeah, you were young is slow. I decide to give you maybe body to cash you. I decide to give you. That's why I will take you. You see my name. I don't even know whether I'm again name making. For this social media, I want to use this my mouth to overclaim. Can't mention my dirty name. Who I'm not figuring. Ugly with me. The ugliness why you don't want to me. You call you why would be. I won't lie to you guys. According why it worst. The frustration why I increase. According why I increase. When a frustration increase, when I call you increase, join. Why relax ban? Say peace fine. Another go make peace now. You boy am you wa. A peace now you locate one me make no really guys. Why me even wa here change it. That go why do have dey okay. You abia we o no na ya sitalo eh. No ya se me e to mo se. We me on je e matter. Egbe oho eni. Awo ni so to pe na the street. Wa so we gbogbo wa sha gbogbo wa every day. You want to be everything. Believe in your fantasy. A fantasy of one not exist. I want me when we buy a marriage when one way back when we be okay. I can't wear marriage or the PC. No, until you say that marriage now they make me this man. Oh yeah, no, why you not copy this man? You want this? What's an enemy or a boy? Oh, get marriage, you know. My darling, it's not about marriage. People are born differently. The time when I tell them for this life, you say, oh, God, now so I be on a yes, so because of no any baby. He want any baby. I don't be like una who no any boa. Go look at you now. So you go because of me, they of fear. Oh, look where I. Akmoma yo ho, you ma gwejo. Omo no ma sagbon aye boy, ayo gun ebono we gbe fi ohun ko abudo with TikTok. Aye boy agbewa ayoru. Only you na get bele, only you enter streets, come dey drag people. In best I can be a few to be a handicap. We be o ma e be no pari agbon. We money ya aye boy allo, oni an we dey ban we bi hun go we gbebe. The government dey increase the we go ni black boy ya no ya akbolo. E turu ya gbon dozu wa. As if say you come life come on. We ya be handle kapu do by handle kapu no to. No we ya gbe 10 years bi ko ma ba bi na. Je we this one go beat you no we ya gbe 10 years bi ko ma. E kwa be le handle kapu yo to no ya ri e ba no le. E mi kina mo fo. Aku. Ayo brain na brain we ti ku ba na da mo na fe go repair mo na ton to human being. E gbag mo ke o wa if not e me no wa me gbeliki aye ni bi o gbag mo o wa. Egbe ko no ju wewu ni o ga je ma we ewu life video na o ge no wa ge gbe okan and I can see like am na we dey talk for life video na God use better ugliness stay bless and I even know say that one person won am get peace. That is one thing I want to thank God for. The carry ugliness it take am take bless my life. Why would egbe mi a we would egbe gba nwa we na ma gba nwa no we accept him I want